Attention, millennials! Ready to take charge of your financial future? Welcome to our channel. I'm Sophie, a student of LDR LLC, and today, we're diving into real estate investing for millennials, building your future today. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell, so you never miss out on our money-making tips. First things first, educate yourself. Knowledge is power. Understand the real estate market, investment strategies, and potential risks. Start by reading the classic book Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. Next, set clear financial goals. Decide what you want to achieve with your real estate investments, whether it's passive income or long-term wealth. Start small. You don't need a fortune to begin. Consider investing in a smaller property like a condo or duplex as your first step into the market. Leverage technology. Embrace online tools and apps to analyze properties, find the best deals, and manage your investments efficiently. Network. Connect with experienced investors, attend meetups, and tap into social media to gain valuable insights. There you have it, millennials. Real estate investing is within your reach. Hit that like button if you found this video helpful and share it with your squad. Subscribe to our channel for more money-making tips and financial empowerment tailored for millennials like you. Now go out there, seize those opportunities, and build the future you deserve. It's your girl Sophie, at LDR LLC signing off. Stay hungry for success and keep hustling.